WWDC 2024 Photos app on iPhone to get an impressive upgrade with iOS 18. Apple's about to bring a few impressive upgrades to the Photos app in iOS 18, making it much easier for users to search multiple kinds of images. iOS 18 is soon to integrate a few great features that would surely assist users while using the Photos app, which includes hidden, recently deleted, receipts, handwriting, illustrations, QR codes, recently saved, viewed, and edited documents, imports, and maps. However, iOS 17 is also offering some great features such as hidden, duplicate, imports, and more. Further upgrades are also yet to be introduced to the media type section. This option is available above the Utilities and Albums tab, which would include an animated category. These animated and illustration categories will be aimed at new image generation features. Recently, at the WWDC 2024, Apple introduced a few great new image generation features for iOS 18. Users would be able to generate a few exceptional images in 3 different styles, comprising an entire prompt series that will place them in messages with multiple taps on the screen. Additionally, users could customize their emojis with the help of AI and use Friends emoji to make outstanding personalized emojis. These categories would surely help users in searching out the pictures that they want to share, no matter when they're captured.